Hello and welcome to Shoppable. My name is Chris and I am a product manager here at Shoppable. Today I am going to demo for you on how to set up DTC Lite V5, how to add products to your site, how to integrate the side cart, as well as integrate checkout on your site. Currently, you are looking at the homepage, but let's go ahead and begin the process of creating a cart through DTC Lite. So we're just going to go ahead and go on to Cart Builder. Okay, so this is the cart builder screen. From here, you can create your fully customizable cart and paste it into your web page. Now, of course, you could start off with the branding section, and this is where you could fully customize your cart based upon your brand identity. Let's actually just do a little quick run through it. You would be putting in your domain website. We'll just use the Shoppable right now for our root URL. You'd put in your brand name. For this case, we'll be using Shoppable since that's the brand that we have. You could change the font that appears, and notice as you make changes to the font, it appears on the left side hand of the screen, previewing the fonts. I think the Arial looked really nice, so we'll go with that. And then you could change the highlight color or this little checkout button. I think a red is nice, but honestly, I want to really match my Shoppable brand, so I'm going to use a color actually off this page to match the Shoppable blue that we're going for. You can also change the shopping icon that appears. We currently have 3 options available, and as you make changes, they appear here. You can also change the shopping icon color as well, but we are actually going to keep the black because it looks really simple and sleek. And then you're going to move on to the thank you page. The thank you page is essentially where you can customize the message that appears after a customer makes a purchase. And again, you'd want to keep your end users in mind or your shoppers in mind. And once again, appealing to your brand, appealing to who you are as a company. So let's actually go ahead and upload a logo here that will appear on the thank you page. And we're going to use a nice shoppable picture right there. And here you could change the headline that appears. Right now we have thank you, but maybe we want to do something that's a little bit more appropriate for our brand. Thank you for making a purchase with us. Perfect. And then again, you could change the body copy if you want to. I think this is pretty nice, so I'll keep that as is. Email marketing opt-in, essentially where your shoppers can subscribe to whatever you have going on, whether an email program or a newsletter, and you can have that pre-checked for them so that they can actually have it once. All they would have to do is click on their call to action, which is now what we're going to change. We have receive offers. I think we could just say, let's do join the party. That's pretty nice. So now that we're done with the thank you page, you're going to want to go ahead and go into the Customer Relationship Management tab or the CRM tab. And from here, this is where you can make a change to the message that appears for the marketing opt-in. And right now, currently, the message that it has there is receive offers, advice, and product updates. I actually like that. I'm actually going to keep that. I think that's really nice and it reflects our brand really well. You can also insert your privacy policy and your terms of use and make customization to the language that appears. But honestly, I think privacy page and terms of use makes sense for our sake. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter Shoppable's privacy policy page and terms of use page. But for your sake, you would be entering your own information on your websites. So let's just go ahead. I'm just going to pull up the link for the terms of use page. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and paste the privacy policy page. Okay. And now when you click on these are actually going to redirect you to where it needs to be, to the privacy policy page and the terms of use page. Okay, so now that it's done, let's just click save. Yes, I would like to update my cart layout. And now what we're going to do is copy the cart script so that we can inject it into our website. You could do it from either on this screen or you can actually access it on DTC's Lite and copy cart script. But I'm just going to go ahead and copy it here. Great. Now that I have copied it, I can now paste it into the website of choice. So let's go ahead and I'm going to take you over to the website that I have on Squarespace. Okay, welcome to Squarespace. So now what we're going to do is inject our cart script that we just got into our Squarespace website. And the reason why we're doing it on Squarespace is to show you all the power of the Shoppable DTC Lite. And that is that you can paste our script in any environment, including website builders such as Squarespace. So let's go ahead and just go into our settings. I haven't done anything too crazy about the page. Let's go ahead and go into the page settings. We're just going to go to advanced, and we're just going to paste the code that we just got. Now on Squarespace, you do have to put in a header tag because that is what is required on Squarespace. Oh, there it goes, completed it for me. And now we're just going to press save. And there it is, our shoppable cart. And it's fully functional. Next, we're going to add products. But I just wanted to say that we also have shoppable events that you can subscribe to that fire an event when the cart has fully loaded. And how amazing is that for tracking reasons? Okay, so now we're going to put our products onto our page. Okay, so now that I injected the cart script into my website on Squarespace, I am now going to add products to my website. And to do that, I'm going to go to the products tab on the left and go to find products. Now let's say I am someone on my website, I sell pet costumes. And let's say my pet costumes, I've also worked with other retailers and merchants such as Walmart and Target. So what I'm going to do here is find my products. Now I can enter my UPC code, but for our purposes here, I'm just going to enter a keyword, pet costumes. Okay, and since we're working with the catalog, we have the every single merchant catalog available to you, so you could see exactly which products are available, and so you can add the products that you have to your website. So I see my product here, I see my product here, and this is also mine. Great, I'm going to add. But I also noticed that all these are from Walmart, but I also sell stuff from Target. So let me just add these just to be on the safe side. And now I'm going to do it again. Okay, and I'm actually going to filter by my merchant, which is Target. I haven't seen any for Target, so let's, oh great. Here are some more products. And now I am going to add them. But where do they go? Well, the products go into the My Products page. So let's go over there. Okay, now that we have added our products, they should now appear on the My Products tab. Now from here, we can filter the products that we just added by typing in pet costumes. Just keep in mind that all the stuff that's appearing in front of you are stuff that I have added in the past. Ah, here they are. These are the new products that I have just added. Now from here, you can individually add each product onto the Squarespace website. So how do we do that? We're going to go to these three ellipses right here, and we're going to copy with no variation. Since this is a standard product and there are no changes that need to be made and there's nothing additional, we're just going to copy with no variation. Great, copied. So now I'm going to swing you back over to Squarespace. Welcome back to Squarespace. So now what we're going to do is put our products in the form of a buy button onto our Squarespace website. So I'm going to go into edit the page, and I'm just going to add a section because that is what it's required to do. Nothing too crazy, just add a blank. And now where it says text is where I'm going to add our product. Okay, I'm going to inject the code. I'm just deleting what's here and putting what I just got on my copy right into our website. And there it is, our buy button. But it's not just a button that appears. It is interactable. So when you click buy, it shows up. And there it is with Walmart. And now I'm going to go through the checkout process, which by the way, you can see that this button is blue, which is in our cart editor that we made earlier. So now I'm just going to go through the checkout process and show you the rest of the cart. So here we are where we were before. We're just going to put our email address, test@test.com. And this is all the stuff that we customized directly on DTC Lite. Now, this is the checkout box. This is something that comes standard with our product. But in terms of customization, there isn't much to that aspect of it. So I'm just going to input some information and fast forward it a little bit. Okay, and here is our thank you page that we made earlier. We have our terms of use that we created, we have our privacy tab, and we have all that content that we made earlier. So this is a pretty cool tool in order to, inject your cart and have a working, running website instantly with our native checkout. So thank you for watching our demo. I really appreciate it. And of course, if there's any other questions or concerns, please check out ask.shoppable.com, ask.shoppable.com, or please, ask us online or try to reach out to us, and we'll be sure to help you as much as we can. Thank you so much again, and have a great rest of your day.